Alright, so it's gotten breezy on me again, but I'm going to pop my cap off here and get in there and take a look at those points and see how they're gapped. It runs, it is not running well, so I'm trying to figure out what's going on with that. So I almost forgot something important. At least according to the service manual, you would finish taking this off. Yeah, the bottom's off. Rotate until your button is pointing at number 1. And number 1, when it's on here, that's about where it's pointing right now. And you're supposed to rotate it till it just trips the mag. So I'm going to run it around 2 complete turns so I can get back there and make sure that's in the right spot. And actually, as soon as I started to crank it, fired it. So the impulse coupling fired over. So it must have been just before hitting number 1. So I'm ready now. We'll finish. We'll get this button back off. And 1, 2, and the third one down here under it. Pop those off, then you can get to your breaker and your breaker point, your points, your breaker arm, all that stuff in there. All right, so the distributor cover here. The shaft, I don't know if you can see it there or not, is D-shaped. So it will only go in one way. So what should happen, since it's just fired, is this oblong piece here on the shaft right there should have the breakers held off, or the breaker rather held off. And what should happen then is you can measure in there, and the shop manual says 13,000. So let's see what we got. And I'm christening a brand new set of gauges here. The last time I pulled mine out, they had rusted to the point that I really didn't trust them anymore, and more importantly, I could no longer read the numbers. But we've got a 13 thousandths. And honestly, just looking at the gap, I think my gap's a little small, but I'm gonna get that in there. I can't hold the camera and do that at the same time. But let's see what's going on. Well, no luck there. 13 slides with just no luck there at all. 13,000 slides in just like it's supposed to, or at least in my experience with feeler gauges, exactly like it's supposed to. I am going to, I guess I'll pop this off and see if it's corroded or something, but I'm thinking maybe, I don't know what's going on. Something, maybe I've got one other thing to try. Well guys, they're clean. They're clean, they're perfectly gapped. I think the next thing I want to try, although it shouldn't make a difference according to most readings I've done, these are technically resistor plugs. And there is a camp of folks that say never, never, never. I just couldn't get them at the time. $3 or $4 a plug. I'm losing a little bit there, but I might try that next. I just don't know. I guess I could go in and I don't think it'd fire at all if I had a back condenser in the mag. I don't know. Looks like I've developed a little bit of a leak here. It appears to be dripping right there. Not real sure what I'm gonna get into when I do that, but oh well. Let's see what she's gonna do here. Get some gas. Turned on. Make triple sure she's out of gear. Give her a little throttle. Mag. She runs like she's flooded. I don't have any choke on.